Hey everyone, it's Molly. Today we are going to be making strawberry triumph pie because I have all of those, well I had more strawberries that need to be used up. And this recipe says that you will need a 9-inch baked pie shell or baked crumb crust. I've already made that right here. And the recipe that I followed was this here for the graham crackers. Mine's made out of graham cracker, and I will put this and the pie recipe for you guys down below in the video's description box, so you'll have that. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we dump about half the strawberries in a pan, and then you crush them up. And it says use this with do this with a fork or a pastry blender. Oh my god. Of course, I'm going to use a potato masher. I'm putting my heat on medium. I'm just going to crush them up, and then you have the remaining strawberries, and then you put those in your pie, in your crust. Okay. Okay, I think that's probably pretty good. And then you add the sugar, and I need one more scoop. Another scoop of sugar. And it just says to mix it all in. So here's the cornstarch and the lemon juice. And then you just mix it and cook it until it's all nice and thick. And honestly, I like to add cornstarch to a little water before I mix it in, but I think this will be fine. So you just cook this until it's all thickened up. Okay, I was wrong. So these are pretty small, but I will still cut them in half. You don't toss the halved berries into the crust. You fold them into this mixture. And I will put this recipe down below in the video's description box for you guys, so you'll have it. And these berries are very, very ripe. And just keep that moving along so it doesn't stick and burn. Okay, it says to stir this and cook it until it's clear and thickened, and then you're going to let it cool. And then after it's cool, then we fold those in. I should probably read the full recipe before I start making it. I have a bad habit of not doing that. I don't know how thick this is going to get, but I imagine pretty thick. And so you do need a baked 9-inch pie shell or baked 9-inch crumb crust. So I didn't show me making the crumb crust, but I will put the recipe that I used, it's also from the same cookbook, in the video's description box for you. It's pretty easy to make if you've never made one before. Or you can always use store-bought. You don't have to make your own if you don't want to. Flip that up slightly. It's definitely coming along, and it smells amazing. Okay, see it definitely kind of changing. It's becoming really glossy. Definitely thickening up. Okay, I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to take this off the heat and let it cool down. Okay, I'll see you guys when this is cool. Okay, so this is still warm, but it's cooled down. So I'm going to drop my berries in, and it says to just fold them in. It smells so good. I think that's good. And then here is, zoom out a little bit. Here is my graham cracker crust. And then you just mix it in. So this is a pretty easy recipe. Now I need to go grab the plastic wrap from the garage. And then we cover this up and refrigerate it until it's nice and cold. And And then we're gonna top it with whipped cream. All right, I'll be right back. Okay. Plastic wrap on the top. Hey Dan, it's hot as hell here in Western Washington.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Looks like you made a pie.
I sure did, Dan. This is called Strawberry Triumph Pie, and it comes from this cookbook, which is Good Housekeeping Cookbook, good Lord, which is from, let's see, copyright 1963. So Dan, this pie is very simple and actually pretty quick to make. And it's served in a graham cracker crust. Now when you cut your slice, I have no idea if it'll keep its shape or not. Top it with a little of that whipped cream, and then we'll see how it tastes. I just cut myself a big old piece. And kinda. Shake it up nice and good, baby. Oh. All right. Verdict?
It's good.
Yeah?
She's right, strawberry pie.
Yeah. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, give me some of that. I want a little bit of everything. Can you show me? Hopefully I don't look like a whale. It's really hot. It's really, really hot. Really hot in Washington. Anyways. That's a good pie. It doesn't keep its shape. Oh well, that's too bad. Serve it in a bowl. But it's delicious. That'd be good with ice cream.
Yeah.
You know?
What kind of ice cream?
I don't know. Probably vanilla, maybe strawberry, and just go all buck wild.
That's a lot of strawberry.
Can you really have too much?
That's a good question. You guys should let us know.
But it looked like a strawberry right now.
Well, it was basically 100 degrees today.
Yeah, we're in Western Washington, and it rarely gets this temperature. We don't have air conditioning, but we have a pool. Show the pool, Dan. Oh, yep. Anyways, so I hope you try this pie. If you do try this pie, please leave me a comment below and let me know how you like it. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.